Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be talking about this product right here, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Now the reason you might be seeing a lot of reviews that I am doing as far as moisturizers are concerned, that is solely because I had finished up with my stock of moisturizers, except for one which I always have on hot standby, which is the Nivea moisturizer, the actual first Nivea jars that you used to get, the dark blue ones with a thick moisturizing cream. I always have that with me as my backup whenever I need it. But yeah, I wanted to try out a few more moisturizers, something which has been never used by me. I haven't tried those products, so I actually went on searching and I picked up a few moisturizers which I have used over a period of time for maybe about 1 month or 1.5 months. So today I'm here with this one right here, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. The one that I reviewed before this was the Face Shop Collagen and Pomegranate Volume Lifting Cream. In case if you would be interested, I'll leave the link over here for you so you can go and check it out after you finish watching this video. Now I specifically feel that this moisturizer is best suited for people, those who have combination to oily skin type. I have a combination skin type where my T-zone gets really very oily, and so that's the reason I decided on getting this product and using this one for myself. Usually I always like buying my products across the counter, but looking at the current scenario, that wasn't the possibility till some time ago. Hence I decided on buying these products online, and online I usually like to go in for either Nykaa is my one-stop option, and if not Nykaa, then Amazon for sure. So I picked up this product from Nykaa, and now let's see what the packaging of the product is like. Now getting on to the product, which is like this, it comes in a cardboard packaging like this, as you can see, and it has all the detailing, all the information which is written right here for you to refer to it before you buy this product. And quite a luxurious packaging, I must say. This is what it looks like, and once you open it, it comes in a plastic sort of a holder so that it's really not knocking when you are actually traveling with it, in case if you happen to. So it comes housed in this container like so, and the MRP of this product is 950 rupees for 50 grams of product, which is mentioned right here. Now in case if we need to go through what the product actually claims, first is that it is prebiotic, plus it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is written right here. Next up, the key features are written out over here in a bulleted form, which says that it is prebiotic, which helps in amplify skin to produce its own natural hyaluronic acid. Next up is hyaluronic acid, which boosts hydration for smooth, supple skin all day. Next up, it has antioxidant olive extract that helps to repair and reinforce the skin barrier. There are certain key features right over here which I'll go through them very quickly. It also says it is dermatologically tested. It is tested on Asian skin. Then it also says that it is oil free, it is hypoallergenic, and next is it is non-comedogenic. That means it doesn't clog your pores. So these are the key features which are mentioned right here on the packaging. Now once we see the jar, this is what the jar looks like. Really very pretty. It is a very luxurious packaging, I must say. This aqua blue color which is going on, and a plastic lid right here. It is quite a sturdy packaging, not at all flimsy, and I'm sure on your vanity it's going to look really very nice in case if you happen to kind of just place it out over there. It looks very luxurious. Once you open it, this is what it is like. It also comes with a lid right here, which has a flip kind of a cover, with the help of which you can remove the lid. And here is a product, you can see, gel based. I can't tilt it more because otherwise it's all going to fall down. And this is the kind of aqua blue color of the gel. Now in case if I need to show it to you what it looks like, I'll just apply a little on my hand and show it to you. And as you can see, the consistency is extremely light, and within no time it just gets absorbed into your skin. It doesn't give that sort of a shiny feel to your skin after you've applied the moisturizer. I haven't applied any makeup products, anything onto my skin, so I can definitely use this on my skin and show it to you what it looks like. So this is what the gel looks like. You know, it has a very little tint, like a very little blue tint, if I may say, and this is what it looks like when you apply it. It feels pretty watery, I must say, very light on the skin. Also gives you a little bit of cooling effect. Yeah, and the fragrance is very aqua kind, and I don't know, it reminds me of a conditioner, the conditioner which you use to condition your hair with. That is the kind of fragrance I relate this product with. And as you can see, after application, about 2-3 minutes into it, it just gets absorbed into your skin. It doesn't give you that shiny glow like an oil pan sort of a thing, but it definitely hydrates your skin from within. That is what I definitely feel about it. And I think this product is specifically very good during for the daytime use, because you know, you're sweating, you're perspiring, there is a little bit of oil secretion from your skin, and then you start looking really very greasy. But I feel with this product, I think that's going to control that sort of a shiny glazed look for the daytime. This is something that I would definitely recommend for the daytime usage as compared to nighttime. You can use it even in the nighttime, that's not a thing, but usually during the daytime, you know, you really want that oil-free look on your face. So yeah, I think I would definitely use this or reach out to this more often during the day as compared to the evenings. So yeah, this is one thing about it. The MRP of this product is 950 rupees. Yes, I know it's on a pricier side for 50 grams. I feel you can definitely pick up these products, you know, when they are on sales, so you can get it on a discounted price as compared to paying a full MRP on these products and buying them. So yeah, overall I think I'm really very happy with this product. In case if you think that, you know, you would want to, if you have that concern that it has a little bit of color, and will that color affect the application of your foundation? No, not at all. It's not going to affect the application of your it's not going to affect the color of your foundation in case if you're applying this beneath the foundation. It gives you a very smooth finish for the foundation to really perform well. So overall I think it's a beautiful and it's a lovely product, especially for people those who have oily skin. So oily and combination skin, this product is going to be doing really very well, because it gives you that dry matte look. Now all that I've done is I have written down all these pointers right here, so I'm going to read it out from here so that the video doesn't get that long and I am able to cover all the points and I do not forget anything by the end of the video, and that I might realize it while editing it. So I'm quickly going to run through it. So overall my review on this is, Neutrogena is a gel-based moisturizer. That means it is not a cream, it is a gel-based moisturizer. It is much more lighter on your skin, and I believe this product is exceptionally well for weather conditions which are hot and humid, because it gives you a very dry and mattifying look on application. Also, this product does not clog your pores and it gives you a very hydrated look all throughout the day. I have used this product for almost sitting on my face for like about 6 to 8 hours, and yeah, I think it has performed exceptionally well. So I can't tell you for that much amount of time, but this product claims that it gives you a good amount of hydration for 72 hours. Now I don't know why would I use this product for 72 hours sitting on my face straight up, but yeah, at least for about 6 to 8 hours was a good amount of hydration that it gave me, and without giving me that oily greasy look on my face. It gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. The fragrance of this is very fresh. It is very refreshing. It is very aqua kind of a fragrance, but as I said earlier, I compare this fragrance to a conditioner which I would use on my hair, but that too, it is very light. It is not overpowering. It's not going to give you a heavy head. So for people those who are concerned about skincare products, you know, with strong fragrances, you really need to really look out for this product, because this has a very light fragrance and it is not overpowering at all, and you're definitely not going to get a heavy head on application of this moisturizer. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel definitely replenishes and retains the hydration on your skin for a real good amount of time. This product also has hyaluronic acid that locks in the moisturizer or the hydration in your skin, and I compare this product very closely to the Clinique Moisture Surge. Now unfortunately I do not have the moisturizer of Clinique with me right now, but I had used it a while ago, and what I would compare the similarities is the texture wise, the kind of finish that it gives, and even as far as the lasting power. But I would definitely say that the Clinique Moisture Surge was more hydrating for a longer number of hours as compared to this. But yeah, we do understand how much we are paying for a Clinique product that is almost like 2,500 plus as compared to this, which is 950. And also as far as the fragrance of the Clinique Moisture Surge was concerned, that was more clinical, or more that was more chemical based. You know, it did not have any artificial fragrance as such. But as far as this is concerned, this is much more refreshing with an aqua fragrance that I feel. This definitely is much more affordable, and as I said earlier, it is exceptionally great for people those who have oily skin or combination skin. But I would always advise you to do a patch test before you go full throttle checking or utilizing any skincare product, even for that matter makeup. If you're using a foundation for the first time, I would definitely advise you to do a patch test before you go full throttle with the product. So this is one moisturizer I feel it is worth investing in. All the people, those who have oily skin, you're going to love this product for sure. I hope this video was helpful to you and you would be in a better position to make up your mind in case you would want to buy this product in your future purchases. And in case if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure that you're going ahead and giving this video a big thumbs up. And in case if you're new to my channel, you're watching me for the first time, big warm hello and thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time out watching this video. This time would request you to please make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for my future uploads. So that's about it for me for now. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself and do what makes you happy. See you. Bye.